Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So as you can tell, I'm filming outside. It's a little breezy and of course a little hot. But I have my pink box delivery. And as always, I'm behind in filming. So you will see random boxes pop up. Some may be as recent as yesterday. Some might be a month or so ago. But some I'm so excited to get. So this is pink box delivery. I get it monthly. It's like $36.95 plus shipping, so it comes out to be about $45.95. But it is so filled with goodies. They do have a theme every month, so everything is themed. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you really enjoy it. And if you're returning, hugs and kisses. You know how much I love and appreciate you and your loyalty to my channel. So let's get into this box and see what the theme is. Mary is the owner, and she always puts together this great brochure with what the theme is. And of course, I'm gonna have to cheat. And let's see what the theme is. Spa in a box. Okay, girls, get ready. Or gentlemen. Our spa in a box makes you want to cancel your plans, unwind, and indulge in a quiet place with products to pamper from head to toe. So I don't even think I need to go any further. I'm going to go into the box, and then it lists everything that's in here and the prices. Oh, we have an important announcement. Beginning September 1st, Pink Box Delivery will make a price adjustment that reflects the rising costs of goods procurement and shipping. Going forward, our subscription price will include shipping. The price per box for monthly subscription will be $59.99, shipping included. So with shipping now I pay $45, so yeah, it's gonna go up. We will continue to offer a discount for multi-month subscriptions. Okay. Should have put that at the bottom of the box. I would have been happier with my spa. And I'm going to put this on the ground. Let's see what we got in our spa. The first thing is, it looks like one of those things maybe you rub on your head. Maybe in the shower. Nothing like a good shampoo, especially when you go and get your hair done and they wash your hair for you and they just scrub it away. So this is the Organic Care Scalp Massager and Shampoo Brush to gently massage your scalp in the shower. This brush exfoliates and cleanses your scalp. It also promotes hair growth. Our head has many massage pressure points. When the silicone brush passes over these points, it increases blood circulation. And this is $19. So not a bad item. I wonder if you can put, thought maybe you can put the scalp shampoo in here, but it doesn't look like you can. So not a bad item. And the next thing, oh, lavender and flaxseed eye soother. I know in a lot of our boxes, especially the ones that are labeled spa boxes, they do put eye masks in here. Some of them, I've used them so much, they get tossed. So I'm always happy to get a new one. And this one obviously has a smell. You can smell the flaxseed. So you obviously just put that on there. So if you're in the bath, this would be great. And this product is lavender and flaxseed eye soother. This calming restorative eye pillow provides a spa-like experience at home or on the go. This would be great when I fly to Chicago on my 3.5-hour flight. And it retails for $24, and you can cool it in the freezer or warm in the microwave. Awesome. And then we have another box. Not sure. Oh, it's got the price on it, $19.95. So let's see what is in here. Oh, feels very gentle. So I hope I don't break it on the ground. We have a very cool breeze here, so I'm liking that. And oh, sippin', bubbly, feelin' lovely. It's a very teeny glass. Got the price again in case you forgot. So I'm assuming this is like a champagne glass because it's so small. If it was like a water juice glass, I'd be done with that. Now we know the price. Life's better with bubbly, even if it's Coke. The ship tumbler keeps drinks cold up to 12 hours, and the plastic lid prevents spills. Fabulously colored in opalescent sparkle, and it retails for $21. Okay, it says $19.95 here and $19.95 on the box. So we do have some miscommunication going on here. But I don't know about you guys, but if I put any of my drinks in here, it would be gone. I'd be like filling it up every 2 seconds. But I do like it, but not sure on the price. Then we have an Aroma Diffuser with 7 colorful LED lights. Look at that bad boy. And that looks nice. And I think I'm going to be opening my FabFitFun box, and I think I ordered one in there, but I think it's more for breathing. Cool aromatic relief in minutes. And it's got 7 colors designed to restore and vitalize your senses. And this one doesn't have a price on it, so we'll have to rely on the sheet. But this is really nice. And let's check this out. With Personic, it's a waterless aroma diffuser. Several drops of your favorite essential oil. And this retails, and it needs 3 AAA batteries. Now that could be a challenge, because I don't think they're included. Powered with included a USB cable or 3 AAA batteries. It retails for $22. So that is nice. And we got some more goodies here. Surprise bonus gift valued at $7.99. So I found the tag, but I'm not sure what this belongs to. I'm not sure. We'll have to find out what's not on the sheet. But we have an all-over face contour and highlighting kit. I think I have this already, maybe twice over, but this is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics. And I want to say I have it, so I'll have to check it out. And I think this might be a bonus. Yeah, I don't see it on the sheet. So I think this is the bonus gift that retails for $79.99. Now this is powder. I use the ones that are more creamy and they work, but yeah, let me know if you tried this, if you like this. So if I do have this, this will be a giveaway item, and I'll let you know before I do the, when I edit the video, you'll have to look below in the description to see if this is a giveaway item. And then we have something in a pink truck. Oh, and I ripped the pink truck. Oh, it's essential oil for the diffuser. Oh, and I could smell it after opening the bag. Oh my gosh. It is Aromatherapy Essential Oils Tea Tree. So I can actually use the diffuser today. So that is great. And I think it said it came with it. The natural essential oil, and that retails for $10. So we got a couple more items. We got Aromatherapy Socks, because they have the little thing on the bottom. And they're Spa Sister Essential Socks, especially treated with nourishing lavender and jojoba oil. I'm trying to smell. Don't know where they're nourished. They do kind of have a smell to them. So there's nothing better than getting out of a bath or shower and then having some nice warm. Now this is winter only. Today I probably wouldn't appreciate them. And then we have, let's see, the scalp massager. I'm looking for the socks. Here's the socks, and they're retail for $12. So we definitely get our money's worth with this box, and we did get that extra gift. And then the last item, I have to be able to open it. My scissors here. So what are your plans for today? I am filming like 3 videos on Labor Day. So I don't know when this will get posted, probably like Tuesday, Wednesday in there. So let me know what you guys have done. And this is the Moroccan Argan Oil, and it's a conditioning spray. So it must be for your hair. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Now this smells good. I could spray this all over my body. And let's just check this out. And this is the Moroccan and Argan Oil Conditioning Spray. It adds hydration and shine to your hair routine without weighing it down. So let's just do a recap of this box. Let me know what your favorite item was, or items. Of course, I have a bug. We have the Aroma Diffuser at $22. We have the essential oil at $10. We have the bubbly thing, not sure on the retail, it's $19 or $21. We have the socks at $12. We have the conditioning spray, which I can tell already that I love, and that is $28. And we have the massager at $19. And we have the eye soother at $24. So I will have the total of everything going across the screen. And if you know what, I don't care if I have it or not. My giveaway item, if you've lasted this long, is the freebie thing that I got by the Bella Pierre. So if you want this, just put the words highlighter somewhere in the comments below. Use the word highlighter, and I'll do a random comment picker. I'll have to take it to Chicago with me because I'm leaving Friday or Saturday. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have an awesome day. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.